Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming game version and inventory. You need 3 energy cores plus 1 access key. This is non-negotiable. Once confirmed, spawn in test chamber and immediately stand on the pressure pad to open the side hatch. Move fast because timers begin when you exit spawn. While moving, aim for the elevated catwalk to the north. You'll bypass 2 patrols that otherwise block the core path. This first move puts you in position to intercept the Core Hijacker's spawn window. Once on the catwalk, engage your stealth cloak for 8 to 10 seconds and proceed through the narrow corridor. This minimizes detection and preserves momentum. When you reach the junction, toss an EMP to disrupt sentries and clear the way for the core. Then time a short sprint to the conveyor drop point where the Core Hijacker spawns. Land directly on the moving platform and lock movement to avoid being knocked off. Keep an eye on the hijacker's animation for the grab window. To complete the sequence, wait for the hijacker's wind-up animation and execute a grab. This timing yields a guaranteed core transfer. Once you secure the core, head back through the west tunnel to extraction and move within 15 seconds to avoid auto-drop. If anything goes wrong, if you're stunned, knocked off, or miss the window, don't panic. Immediately drop to the lower level, reset the hijacker spawn by leaving the room briefly. Then repeat the mid-sequence with the cloak and EMP adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.